we are going to discuss about the entry of the US into the war. Right, in the Vietnam, how the US entered for the battle, for the war, and what happened here, that we are going to discuss about. US entry into the war marked a new phase that proved costly to the Vietnamese as well as to the Americans. Both are suffered for that war. Right, it started from 1965 to 1972. Long 7 years, so the fought in the continuation. Over 3 crore 4 lakhs 3,100 US services and personnel served in Vietnam. So from America, this amount of the people were came to Vietnamese and they were started off serving there, and even 7,484 were women among them. Even though the US had advanced technology and even good medical supplies, but casualties were high. Casualties means death rate was very high, and about 47,244 died in battle, and 3,03,704 were wounded. Those were wounded, among them 23,014 were listed by the veteran administrator to be 100% disabled. You could understand that how the war was completely destroyed life and property of the Vietnamese as well as of the Americans. This phase of struggle with the US was brutal. It was completely a brutal devastations. Thousands of US troops arrived equipped with heavy weapons and tanks and backed by the most powerful bombers of the time, that is called B-52s. In the widespread attacks and use of chemical weapons, napalm, Agent Orange, and even phosphorus bombs destroyed many villages and decimated jungles. Even civilians died in the large numbers. You cannot imagine, student, how it was happened. All those, thousands and lakhs of people were killed and died and wounded. So such a severe war took place during 1965 to 1972. Right. So it was the greatest tragedy was took place in the Vietnam, and as well as it was also more effect to the US also. Many were critical of the government for getting involved in a war that they saw indefensible. When the youth were drafted for the war, the anger spread. And completely, the angerness was spread in USA, and they made compulsory service in the armed forces. However, could be waived for university graduates also. Those who are graduates, university graduates, immediately they are compulsory to give service in their armed force. This means that many of those sent to fight did not belong to the privileged elite, but they were minorities and children of working class families. But everybody has to give service to the armed force due to the high casualties. The US media also played a very major role to supporting of the criticizing the war. Even Hollywood also made number of films in the support of the war. Right? So Green Beret, one movie was there, so which was completely cited of many examples of unthinking propaganda. The film that was responsible for motivating many young men to die in the war. The Green Beret, the movie, such a way they were made, so it was completely motivating for the men and die in the war. Other films were also there, so more critical as they try to understand the reasons for this war. Apocalypse Now, the Jean-Claude Coppola's one movie was in 1979. That was also reflected the moral confusion that the war had caused in the US. The Apocalypse Now, that also reflecting the confusion in the war and how it was caused to the US. The war grew out of the fear among US policy planners that the victory of the Royal Ho Chi Minh government would start a domino effect communist governments would be established in other countries in the area. So the main target why the US entered into the Vietnam is because the Vietnam, so they established communist government and want to spread the communist, and the US is the against of communist ideology because they were the supporter of and even founder of democratic form. So due to that, so they want to resist the communist form of government or this communist government. That's why they were entering into the war and started off a devastating war. Very brutal war was started here, right? They underestimated the power of nationalism to move people to action, inspired them to sacrifice their home and family, life under horrific conditions, and fight for independence. They underestimated the power of a small country to fight the most technological advanced countries in the world. So now, even Ho Chi Minh government started of dominating. They were completely, given the motivational writings, motivational to the all people of to come onto the action. They were even inspired them to sacrifice their home and families, even life and everything, and only fight for independence. So the people were started of participating in a large number and started fighting against the US, the supreme power, the very, very powerful country in the world, right? So with loaded with different high quality of technology, still the Vietnamese were never left off, never gave up, and they were started off fight against them. And that is of today, and again we will continue tomorrow with a new topic. Till then, good night. Till then, have a nice day and goodbye.